Hey guys, let's make this spicy taco soup. Please make a note of all the ingredients you will need. Let's chop up all our vegetables, our onion, jalapeno, our bell pepper, and our tomato. Add some oil to your pan, add in your ground turkey and your ground beef, season that well, and combine both meats together. Now you're ready to add in all your vegetables. Rinse and drain your beans. Add in your taco seasoning and mix that in well. And now you're basically ready to add in the rest of your ingredients. Your beans, rotel, tomato sauce, your beef broth,